Hey, right here I have something completely special that I wanted to show you. This is the Toddler Trampoline from Beacon, and this is amazing. I love on here how they have the 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're different shapes as well, so you can teach your child to actually recognize the shapes, and you can do different patterns of jumping. You can tell them to jump 1, 3, and just kind of make it like something special where they can learn as well. But this is so cool and practical. I absolutely love this, and this is going to be great for any toddler play date. If you're going to have some friends come over and they have kids, it's going to be perfect. Occupy their time, give them something to do, and trust me, the kids are going to have a blast on this, because who doesn't want to jump on a trampoline? There's so many fine details that the company has. Now, this is going to be the classic beige, and it's going to have like a brownish orange color. I really love that. So a couple things to note. This is going to be from a toddler age 1 to 6, and there's actually 2 levels of adjustment on the bottom here. So you can drop this handle down about another 1.5 to 2 inches, I would say, just to lower this. So if they're standing on here and this is a little bit too high, don't worry, you can lower that. This can be set up in 5 minutes with no tools whatsoever. And I love how the padding on top actually has a foam on here. So if you're gonna bop your head or anything like that, don't worry, your toddler is gonna be safe. Beside the fact that this looks amazing, this can be set up in just 5 minutes, and this folds down very easily and quickly. So all you have to do is just release these pull pins on each side, pull them out. There's going to be one over on the other side, and you can fold this down really easily. No tools needed makes this so practical. You can twist all of this off by hand, really nice, easy grooves, doesn't take a lot of force, and you don't have to tighten it really tight. You can even fold this up and take this with you wherever you go, so you can make sure your toddler will have tons of activities to do. Another thing I love about this is there's going to be padding in here. So all of this folds down really quick and easy. I'm going to show you underneath, so I can actually just put it like that if we can just see the underside. Very easy, thoughtful design. These can just literally pop out. They're held on with like a string, so whenever you do fold this up, these will just stay down like that, and they go right back in easily. It's got a suction cup on the bottom to help it grip to the floor and absorb a little bit, so it's not loud. When the child is jumping on this, it doesn't make a lot of noise. These strings just get pulled over the side, and that is basically it. This is held over with elastic, and there is padding in here, so their leg or anything is not going to get caught in between. This is what the hinge looks like. Very, very practical and useful, and it's small. It doesn't take up a whole lot of room. I highly recommend this product. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.